Number 84 in the Jazz Violin series. I'd like to talk about attitudes a little more, performing attitudes. Hubris versus humility. I didn't even know what the word hubris meant at one time until a reviewer said that gamelan, the group I was in, was very hubristic. And I had to look it up in the dictionary. What does that even mean? Hubris is kind of cocky, stick your chest out, we are here kind of thing, you know? And yes, gamelan, the jazz rock group I had that in spades. We would jam on one chord and do it like we meant it. And audiences really responded to that. The girlfriends of the group were all insulted. How could that interviewer call you hubristic? They thought it was egotistical. You know, I don't think it's the same. Hubristic means just super confident. You know, like Led Zeppelin. They literally stuck their chest out and I am here kind of thing. So that can be the wrong attitude in certain instances, though. What about humility? Say, I'm here to be your humble servant. That's cool too, and you can pull people in by being humble. So same as in music is on a personal level. So probably the best approach is to pull upon each one as you need. It might be even within the same song. You can start out humbly and play simple things and stick your chest out at the right spot. And this is, I am here. And maybe in the best, it's all kind of twisted around each other and wrapped up in one thing that's you. And you need to trust your inner to know when to pull upon being cocky. Now, of course, in extremes, you can take these things too far. And a little bit later, I'm going to talk about sitting in. And if you get in there and get too cocky, you're not going to be welcome and invited back. And also, if you're too meek, they're going to go, man, you didn't step up. You know, there's ways. Sometimes bands are looking for you to elevate the group and play well. So again, it's a balance of all the above. And that's always the goal, is the balance between hubris and humility.